up, bro?
What's up?
Guess who's back in town?
Who?
Mommy Apple's back from the Philippines.
Yay! Mommy Apple!
Did you listen? Are you sure? I got something for you. Snacks!
Yes!
Let's go try it out. Hi, family.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Family's back. I miss Minnesota.
Hi, it's me from 3240 Jonathan's Place. And this is...
Hi, I'm Mommy Apple, so I'm Jonathan's godmother, and we're here to do a taste test of the snacks from the Philippines. Hi, Fufu. I got you some snacks from the Philippines. So, hi guys. Spongy. I know you love this one. Remember, I always buy you this. So, stick-o and a bunch of different cupcakes.
Ooh.
And also this snacks as well. So I want you to try it and tell me what it tastes like, because that's the food that I grew up with. So I want to know, what do you think about it?
Okay, I think I want to pick this one.
Okay, try it and let me know if you like it, okay?
It's a fudgy bar.
Yes, go open it, honey. You want me to help you out?
Oh, got it. Oh yeah,
It is a cupcake.
these look good. Oh.
Do you like vanilla?
Yeah, I like vanilla and chocolate. Mmm. This is good.
How do you like it? Is it soft? Soft, right? Is it too sweet?
It's soft and sweet.
Okay, so my favorite is, of course, the chocolate one.
Oh.
So what I usually do is eat on the corner and then save the best for last, which is the middle part.
Really?
Are you gonna finish it all?
Yeah.
We need to get you.
That was legitness.
Oh my God.
What's the next one that you want to try?
I think.
Oh, try this one. This is my favorite. Oh, I can't wait for you to try it.
Mmm.
Slowly. And let me know. How's it?
Good.
Oh, like I said, that's my favorite. Really good, right? Oh!
It's good.
Okay, what's next? What's next? What's next? Try this one. Flan. It's flan flavor.
It's actually fun.
It's flan flavor. And flan is your favorite.
Kind of tastes like fun.
It does, because it's flan flavor. But how do you like it? Eat it slowly.
I kind of like it, but like it's kind of puffy at the outside.
And
The middle is the best part.
yes, because it's the flavor. It's the flan flavor inside. It looks like you like it though. Go drink your water. Hold on. And remember this? I always get you this. Right? Every time I go to Chicago, I get you this one.
You went to Chicago before?
No, but before, if I go to Chicago, I get you this one. So this one, the stores in the Philippines, like the one on the corner or the street, they always sell this one.
I heard in the Philippines they actually kill a lot of animals to eat, right?
They do eat chicken, beef, pork,
Like I've seen people in the Philippines. I watch videos in the Philippines.
For real, you do?
Yeah, I had before. And I've seen people like even somebody ate an alligator.
Oh yes, I've tasted one.
You have?
Yes, and it's okay. It's good. They say it's always tastes like chicken. So, and this one, try it. You had it before. Let's get one. This one outside already. Yep. And you're gonna have the whole thing for yourself, okay? You better share it with mommy and daddy,
Okay.
okay? See? It's good, right? So back home, what I usually do is how I eat it. Is
That's food.
your what?
Like this.
I just eat the coating outside. Eat the coating first, and then I'll have all the chocolates after. But I don't know if I can still do it. I can't do it anymore, but it's good though.
I can't.
Okay, open that one. So you have tried that one before, and you, daddy, loves it.
Yeah, I forgot the taste. That's why I want to try it again.
It's called dewberry. How do you like it? Oh,
It's good.
are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what it looks like. So the middle part is strawberry and cream in the middle. You have eaten a lot. You're gonna have a sugar rush. And I'm gonna go home and mommy and daddy has to take care of the rest. Slowly, okay? You have to chew slowly, honey.
This is good.
This one, you love this one? You drink water. You drink water. How about you try Cremo? This is one of my favorite as well.
That looks like Oreo.
Yeah, thank you. It does. But we'll see if they taste the same or which one is better.
Yeah, this is better than Oreo.
It does. You have to let mommy and daddy try it later, okay? And ask them what do they think about this. Okay? If they think it tastes like Oreo. But with this one, you have to dunk it on a milk, right? Just like Oreo.
I asked if I smell. I asked if I smell. I asked if I had milk, but I didn't get it.
Because you're eating a lot of sweets, honey. Okay? You finish that one first, and then you'll drink milk later. You have a sugar rush now? Not yet. Do you have a sugar rush now? Not yet. Not yet? And the last one, try this one. It's called sponge cake, but it's a little bit crispy. Oh, that smells so chocolatey. Grab one.
Oh, yeah, it does.
You have to show them what it looks like. It looks like this, and there's a circle in the middle. Like an cheers. This one is good. This is really good. So from all the stuff that you tried, which one do you like more? Which one do you like the best? So you tried this one, the one with leche flan flavor. You tried Cloud9, Fudgy Bar, Dewberry, Stick O, and Spongy. Which do you love the most? Fudgy Bar? More than the chocolate? So, if you only like that one, can I take back to this? Can I bring it home with me? Because you're gonna put that one.
What about me? Me next. Me next. You guys got some left for dad?
This one is the best. This one is the best.
You guys, we thank you guys for checking in on us. It's your boy Joe right here at 3240 Jonathan's Place. My sister Apple that I love so much. My boy Jonathan. We thank you guys for watching. Check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification because teamwork makes the That's right. We'll see you guys in the next round.
See ya.